Hello everyone, once again back to my channel. Welcome back to another content. Content I'm going to share with you how to start freelancing with no experiences in 2026. So this topic is the most crucial if you want to start freelancing career. The topic shall be your life changing. So step by step guide to freelancing, no experience. Step 1. Choose one skill, don't confuse yourself. Don't try everything. Pick one high demand skill like graphic design, use Canva, content writing, use ChatGPT, video editing, use CapCut, and data entry virtual assistant. So something you enjoy, plus easy to learn fast. Step 2. Learn the skill period. Like you don't need too money to start. Watch YouTube tutorials. Practice daily 1 or 2 hours. Follow free courses. Focus on learning by doing and not just watching. Step 3. Create simple work-life portfolio with your client. No experiences, no problem. Design fake logos. Write demo articles and edit sample videos. Use Google Drive or a simple portfolio website. Step 4. Create accounts on freelancing platform. Start with beginner-friendly platform like Fiverr, Upwork, and freelancer.com. Optimize your profile like clear profile pictures, simple description, and add your simple work. Start applying for job. Daily action. This is where most beginners quit. Send 5 or 10 proposals daily. Keep it short and personalized. Example like, hi, I can help you with this. I have created similar work. Click this sample. Step 6. Get your first client. Be smart. Start with profiles to build reviews. Fast delivery and good communication. Your first 5 USD is more important than your 100 USD later. Build trust and reviews like after first job ask for a review, deliver extra value reviews, more client automatically. Scale your income. This topic is the most crucial. Once you get client, increase your price, improve your skill, work with long-term clients, focus on quality plus consistency. So thank you everyone. But common mistake to avoid learning too many skills. Just need one perfect skill. Waiting for perfection, not applying consistently. Copy-paste proposals. Starting freelancing with an expense in 2026 is completely possible if you follow a clear step-by-step process. Focus on one skill, practice daily, and take consistent action. Your first client is closer than you think. Thank you everyone. If you think this video is helpful, you can subscribe my channel for more. Thank you everyone.